So finally got the Auxbeam in place. There you go. So I don't know, I had to remove a couple of switches here. Don't know what to put in there. I don't really need any more accessories, and the blanks are like 30 bucks for 2 blanks. Unreal. Any suggestions? So number one here is for my wipers. It's my light bar, the pillow lights, the back lights, and my little blue lights that are in the back. All in all, I'm pretty impressed. And when it's dark, you see green. I didn't know that you could get green, red, blue. I would have gotten blue to match the rest of the bike, but that was an oversight.